Let's talk about the convenience and delivery of the in-shop knowledge assessments. Having this brought right to your shop's doors, has this been a time saver, and what other ways has it offered direct benefits?
Yeah, the time savings and ease of execution is huge. So the program allows us to take care of all of the live, the online, and the hands-on training needs for all of the teammates at a center to complete Pro Level 1. This would normally take my team an immense amount of scheduling and communication and follow-up to make sure that we actually execute it and we're able to get this training done. So the program being the one-stop shop, I'll say, is really the biggest benefit to us, in addition to the ease of training that's offered to the techs that we discussed earlier.
Absolutely a time saver. We did all three of our weldings and knowledge assessment all in a total of about 5 days of lost shop time. That speaks volumes. If I were to send guys out for classes, having them travel, paying for hours for them to go, meals, things like that, it would have been 10 times what we ended up with. So just the value of it. We're in our own shop. My guys are already comfortable. They're not traveling. And they're just in their own environment. It has just been huge. Really just a real benefit, and just what a wonderful system. What a wonderful system.
100% a time saver, because if you have to send your technicians, and I can tell you, I'll give you the example. I have one shop that I managed to reach gold status with my technicians, but I did it a traditional way, and we had to do a push for a certain insurance company, and we managed to push through in 3 weeks. And my guys are all very, very, very like I say, hey, you got an I-card class, scheduled an I-card class. You got an I-card class tonight. I'm sorry, it's 6 o'clock. I'm feeding you. Go to the technical college, and they'll be like, okay, boss. They'll be there. I mean, no questions asked. And they'll rearrange their schedules, and I love that. But I hate that because I don't want them to have to sacrifice time away from their families and just say, hey, hon, I can't be home for dinner. Hey, kids, I can't be at your baseball game because I got to go train for work. And it's part of my job. So having this in shop, they do it during the day. They do it when they're at work. And it eliminated all of that time away at night that takes away from their lives and on the weekends. And the shop that I did the traditional way, and we were just they were doing 2 classes a week, and those are 4 hours. You know, they leave work, they go to the class at 6 o'clock, they don't get home until 10:30, and then versus being the in-shop, which they are here. Yes, they might lose production time during the day in the shop, but they were willing to sacrifice that. I'm willing to sacrifice that for a quality of life issue for my employees.